All right. After this birthday message, I have another friend and actually also a client who whose birthday is today, but he's a much different person. Of course, he's younger, he's about my age, and so around in his 40s. And we talk about things like meditation, besides trading and investing. And I'll tell ChatGPT that, and then let's see what birthday messages he comes up with. And by the way, this message here we wrote in the previous video, so check that out and see how that got written. Let's now write another birthday message. This time it'll be an email instead of a text message. It's to another client who is much younger, about my age, in his 40s. He's also become a friend over the years. And we talk about meditation, spirituality. Besides our trading, investing project together. And he has overcome a major cancer this year. Can you please? He's in full remission, fortunately. Can you please draft me a message, an email for him? All right. Oh, I'm getting two versions here. Let's see what's happening. I'm immediately drawn to the one on the right here. A special birthday. Dear friend, happy birthday. Today feels like an extra special day as I reflect on all that you faced and triumphed over this past year. Your strength and resilience through your journey with cancer have been nothing short of inspiring. I'm grateful to you, to know you, not just as a fellow traveler on the path of investing and trading, but also as a friend who shares a deep curiosity about meditation and spirituality. Awesome. As you celebrate this birthday, may you find peace in the present moment, joy in the simple things, and continued healing and growth in all aspects of your life. I feel fortunate that our paths crossed and that we continue to share meaningful conversations, whether it's about the market or the mysteries of life. Wishing you a year ahead filled with health, mindfulness, and the kind of peace that nourishes the soul. With warm regards, Crystal. Oh, this is awesome. So, well, let me check the other one. Dear friend, wishing you a very happy birthday. This year has been one of incredible strength and transformation for you, and I'm so grateful to see you in full remission, thriving with that same positive energy you bring to everything you do. Yeah, he actually does. He has this positive energy. Your journey has been nothing short of inspiring, and I'm honored to walk alongside you, not just in our trading and investing endeavors, but in the deeper conversations we share about life, meditation, and spirituality. May this new year of life bring you even more clarity, peace, and joy as you continue to grow and evolve. Here's to many more years of health, happiness, and meaningful moments, both in our friendship and beyond. Take care and enjoy your special day. Warmest wishes, Crystal. This is, oh my goodness, I have a hard time deciding here. This is cool. So I'm liking the left one also, especially since he is a very positive person here. He brings a lot of positive energy. And I wouldn't want to say in full remission, but in full health. So let's make this, I prefer this response. I mean, they're both good. So But let's go with this one. And yes, I would like to make a little change. Yes, a small change. Use health instead of remission. So we have your subject line, dear friend, wishing you a very happy birthday. This year has been one of incredible strength and transformation for you. So I'm grateful to see you in full health, thriving with that same positive energy you bring to everything. Your journey has been nothing short of inspiring, and I'm honored to work alongside you, not just in our trading, investing endeavors, but in the deeper conversations we share about life, meditation, and spirituality. May this year of life, may this new year of life bring you even more clarity, peace, and joy as you continue to grow and evolve. Here's to many more years of health, happiness, and meaningful moments, both in our friendship and beyond. Take care and enjoy, especially wellness wishes. I love it. So, thank you. Always be nice to the chat bot.